So it's day 2, we're in Le Touquet and we're being rescued. We had the catastrophic failure of the car yesterday, and the support vehicle for Twin Town has come along, and now we're getting our car fixed up. It looks like the alternator belt, which drives all of the electrics and the cooling and the turbo, like everything, has come off. So they're currently trying to repair what's left. So here's the latest. The mechanics came and the car runs. They've refitted the old alternator belt onto the car, but it's only like half width and there's a danger that it'll break. So Ed and I are going to take this down to an auto repair centre and see if they have a belt. There's one we found in town. It closes in about an hour, so we need to go see if this will make it, I guess.
Oh, you turn Bob. Can you press the flask? We're all good. So what is it? So day 2. Abandoning Team 89.
What's happening?
Day 2.
So what's happening with their cars getting fixed, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
What about the other team? Where have they gone?
They're not. They've left it. Being still.
I think it's probably
Maverick.
Wow, it's
They call
really
me.
hot.
Give you some directions.
That would be brilliant. Yes, please. Handbrake warning light isn't coming on anymore.
That's weird.
Well, no, it came on when it was engaged, but it... Oh, we're like full lock. I see.
They call me the Maverick.
Straight across the grass. Nicely kept grass, Bob. Just...
Does anyone?
Yeah, okay, yeah, they're following.
I just don't think those flags are going to last.
Exactly what I want this morning, Bob.
To kick off the morning, the Twin Towners embark on a scavenger hunt around Le Touquet.
If you're technically minded.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, no, but yeah.
Okay. Your little awards in there, the ones you're collecting in your little bag.
Yeah.
It's a scavenger hunt. It takes about 2 hours.
Okay.
You need to bring all your bits back to here just to prove that you've done it.
Magic of translate. You can speak into it as well.
Really? That's amazing.
Bonjour.
Nothing happened.
Bonjour.
We've got a quiz. We've got to find some shit. And we need to find a pine cone, a pomme de pin, and various other French things, which I googled for free.
We are slowly thinking that we might just go to the beach.
Bonjour.
The garage didn't have the part anyway, so to save using their car, Josie and Ed join Ian's team for the day.
Right, we are team. What are you, 89?
Yeah, are you 88?
We're 90. We're team 179.
Yeah.
2 teams in Twin Towns. Twin teams. 2018.
Twin,
Town Twin Teams
2020.
Right, just
What a
turn around.
grand.
Yeah, forward.
Twin
Yeah.
Town.
Whatever you do not hit our car.
What are you talking about? Oh yeah,
It's
a
already
really valuable
valuable.
piece of rust.
Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah.
Where even is? Oh,
Left team.
Yeah, go left. You good?
As an extra challenge, the teams have to perform some karaoke in their car and film it for the judges.
We're doing the whole song, but we're only going to have
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. I'll try my best to do that.
Oh, that releases it, doesn't it?
Buffalo bug it.
Oh,
right.
It's going to push me now.
Yeah.
Fucking stupid thing!
You don't have any good ideas?
Put it at the top.
You've got to move it this way a bit. Have we got any tape? I'm still not in shot. What's the point? Why if you lean over?
Oh no, okay, I think we're right.
No, but if you lean this way a bit,
It really doesn't matter.
it does matter. We're going to do it. We're going to do it properly.
Ready? Starting the video.
You starting the video?
Stop the video.
Start video.
Start the video.
So we just being serious.
Yeah, man. Right, ready? Start filming. He started filming.
It's filming.
Start filming. He started
It's
filming. Right. Now.
Words. Should we put an English version?
We can't just
so
do
we can-
this.
It's fine. It's fine. No,
I stopped it.
no.
Do an English version so I can remember that even words.
Straight faces, Dom. Think about something sad.
You actually gonna jump around? I'm gonna wet myself. You just keep going round and round.
I'll go somewhere else once
I
we've shot them
can't
around in
stop laughing
circles.
while you're just constantly going around. Even these people in the house are gonna be like, "What's this jag doing?" Laughing.
Sad faces.
My head's hurting.
Sad faces, and we got to film this and
Right.
have some lunch.
Okay.
and a beer.
Right. Are we ready, lads?
You can't do it.
Because you're jumping round and round constantly. You're not making this easy for me, Bob. The back of my head's hurting.
You what, Pete?
In French.
Je vois une petite silhouette dans votre main. Sur la bouche, tout le fandango. We've done about 100 rounds.
Drive straight into the bush.
Should we do it again?
My head hurts from laughing and doing so many circles.
Les paroles de cette version sont dans la description. Vous pouvez également télécharger la chanson gratuitement.
That's good.
Oh, it's just gonna be a video of me wetting myself with laughter. There must be a there must be a couple of good bits in there.
Feel a bit car sick.
We just.
It's fine.
Why am I doing this?
I have no idea. Why are we doing this?
Somebody just told me to get in the boot, so I was getting
Just ball up this hoodie as a pillow.
No, I think we should do. I should be in the boot, and we'll get that shot, and then we should get a shot of everybody standing around it with
How
the
you're
camera in.
positioned like a mermaid.
Shut the boot then, come on.
Alright, we're closing it now.
Bye, Bob.
It's going to be dead of carbon monoxide.
Alright, should we let him out?
Great shot though.
When does he
I'm not possible.